Yokar. I see that many of us use the formula M1V1 equal to M2V2 when we do titrations without understanding origin of it. Let us try to derive this equation which is used in chemistry very frequently. For this, let me take an example of an acid-base titration. In a titration of NaOH and nitric acid, we can understand this is a neutralization titration, and from the reaction we understand in this neutralization titration 1 mole of sodium hydroxide reacts with 1 mole of nitric acid to give 1 mole of sodium nitrate and 1 mole of water. That is, a equivalent amount of nitric acid and NaOH react together. So, from the definition of molarity of a substance is defined as number of moles per 1 dm cube of the solution. So, it could be 1 dm cube refers to it could be 1 liter or 1000 centimeter cube or 1000 ml as such. Thus, we can calculate the number of moles in any volume just by multiplying the molarity with volume of the solution. So if we just multiply the molarity and the volume, we get number of moles present in that particular volume. So now if we consider concentration of nitric acid to be M1 molar and the volume used in titration to be V1, and the concentration of NaOH be M2 and the volume used is V2. In this case, so we can calculate the number of moles present in V1 and V2 of nitric acid and sodium hydroxide respectively as given in the box 4. So from the reaction itself, we know that we require equivalent amount of nitric acid to completely neutralize NaOH. That is, same number of moles are required for complete neutralization. Thus, correlating the moles of HCl and number of moles of NaOH, we have M1V1 of nitric acid is equal to M2V2 of NaOH. Thus, getting us the formula M1V1 equal to M2V2. Thank you. Dev Barguru.